Hey, my name is Michael, and in today's video I'm continuing my build of the camper setup for this Honda Odyssey. I'm gonna be building a kitchen cabinet in this location. It's gonna have fresh water in this container, and it's gonna drain into this container that you can easily take out and dump outside. It's gonna have a stainless steel sink, which is beautiful. It's gonna have a stainless steel faucet as well, that you can wash your hands, the dishes. It's gonna be powered by the 12-volt pump. But first, let me start by building the frame of it. Okay guys, the sink cabinet is done. Let me show you how it's built. It's just this 3/4 inch plywood done in a U shape around the sink. The sink is 10 inches probably this way and like 17 this way. From the back you have access to the draining system, which is gonna drain into the container. You can easily put in, put out, drain it, put the empty one back into the system. Thank you Arrowhead for the sponsorship. I have the parts dry fitted in: the kitchen sink cabinet, the countertop, the supporting leg, which is gonna have between like a couple of shelves which I can store stuff. And like I said, it's gonna have a cutout here to access the sink. And when you're not using the sink, you just cover it back and you have this nice space to work with. And it's gonna have a faucet on this side, and my 12-volt pump is gonna be located here. My fresh water tank is gonna be located there, and I have to locate a switch somewhere to power and turn off my 12-volt pump. It's coming along. Wow. So here you go. This is it. My beauty, my kitchen cabinet. It took a little, but it's done. It's better than I expected, definitely. It has a sink beneath this piece, so you can wash your hands, fill up the water bottle, do whatever. But when you put it back, you have this nice seamless workspace to play with. But to have a bigger workspace, you just take this out, and now you can write stuff down here, you can be on your laptop here, eat here. It's awesome. But when you don't need it, you just put it back. Below it are two drawers. The smaller one, you put the small stuff in, right? And the bigger one, that's the big stuff there. On the right side here, I put a curtain to hide all the plumbing. So I have to go around and show you the backstage. Hello there. Let me show you behind the scenes. Okay, so this is it, the backstage. All the stuff that you don't have to see, but I'm showing it to you because I like you. Everything is hidden while the door is closed, but when you open up, everything is accessible. That means you can come, drain the draining system, fill up the water tank, access the drawers, access the storage space underneath. Heck, you can even come here and cook while standing. Even better, you can access the water and wash your feet when you come from a beach. But for all of this to work, we'll have this bad boy. This bad boy is a 12-volt pump, which pumps water up into the faucet above. It takes water from this side, and I have to connect this side into the water tank. So for the water pump to work, I have to connect it to my electrical system, which is gonna be the subject of the next video. So please subscribe So we want to miss out and maybe leave a like. That would be awesome. See ya.